Hey Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously, as you can see, this is not my usual background, and that is because we are doing a nursery reveal today. So if you cannot already tell by the background, we have decided to make our nursery, it's a small room. And by nursery, I really mean my girls' room. We live in a 2-bedroom, we live in Los Angeles, so our girls will be sharing a room. So right now we just have my daughter's things in here because my other daughter will be in our room in a bassinet next to the bed for a while, and then we will kind of switch things over. But when we found out we were having a girl, we knew right away we wanted to do this theme. I will link the inspiration below, but let's jump into my small world nursery. So this is a feature wall we decided to do, and we will take a closer look at that. So this very first picture is right out of the Small World book, and if you look, you can see that the happiest cruise that ever sailed, and that sign is we actually created ourselves. And then of course a picture of my daughter playing because it's perfect. And then you'll see just some other little things. That shalom is the shalom that they have at the end of the ride. And then it's a world of laughter, which I really love. And then another Small World picture. So moving below that, it is the dresser that we always used, and it just came from exactly what we were already using. And then you can look over and see the diaper changer. That is just a basket from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just keeping diapers in there, and it's small enough that it will just work on the side of there. And then of course our Decker diaper changer, which is my favorite. Now moving over, there is just a little reading nook, and there's just a few stuffed animals that my daughter likes, and a little reading chair, and then a bookshelf with It's a Small World book showcased. And we keep some puzzles and flashcards and just board books and regular books, just all the things that she likes. And then the pièce de résistance, which I just made by myself with some gold paint and some foam board, and I actually plan to do just a little more with it. Now if you continue moving on, there is her bed. We just got that stuff from Target. The little You Are Magical pillow, which we got from Target, and all the bedding's from Target. There's Marie the Aristocat, and my mom actually made this. She had some fabric which just turned out perfectly. They're little Russian nesting dolls, and they're just perfect for this room. And then my favorite part by far is this wall. It is absolutely incredible, and I didn't do it. It was painted by my wife, and it's incredible, and I'm just so proud of it. Now my mom just recovered this chair with some fabric on hand, and she also recovered that pillow. And then if you move over to the side table, this little elephant is just adorable, and everything was just kind of thrown together for things that we had, and this was actually made by my grandfather, so I love that piece. And we got this rug from Ikea. And then as far as closet organization, I have Rosie's baby things on this side, and if you kind of look in, we have about a, I don't know, 12-foot ceiling there that we keep storage of extra baby stuff. And then here is Ruthie's side. And since there was no overhead lighting, we decided to add in this lamp from Ikea. I hope you guys enjoyed this small world nursery reveal. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what your guys' nurseries or your kids' rooms. Do you guys do Disney themed rooms? We actually did a Winnie the Pooh inspired nursery with my daughter before, and we decided to switch it around and do this. If you have not joined my Disney family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have already joined my Disney family and you want to know when more videos are coming, go ahead and hit that little bell. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.